Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal Nathan, man, back with ya. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to put a screw into a stud. So the thing with when you put the screw in too deep is it's not really, it's almost too deep. Like you gotta, I don't know, you can fill it with a lot of putty, but it's not ideal. That's not good enough, right? We want it just perfect. So that one, it does not pass my Nathan Man test. And then, guys, when you have it too high above and you got that little lip just sticking out there, I'm trying to picture that screw. Basically, when you're putting the putty on and painting, you'll see that screw still, right? It'll be a bump if you try to fill it with putty, right? And you'll probably still see the screw head. That's not good enough either. We do not want that. And now, guys, the perfect way to do this is just have the screw, the drywall screw, just a hair under the surface, like 1/8 of an inch, just barely. Because when you get that drywall putty, the compound, right, you're gonna want to, scrape it off, and it's just gonna be the lightest amount that you're getting in that hole that's holding your drywall up. And that, guys, is just the perfect amount for the screw. It's perfect because it's gripping the wall, it's pulling it in, and also too, guys, doesn't require much putty. It's just a hair of putty that you're gonna need. Well there, guys, if you have enjoyed this video and learned something new about drywall screws and how to screw them into studs, then please leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, please subscribe for more, guys, and hit that darn bell. Hope that you guys all have a awesome day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Bye.